Hi everybody, another day, another unboxing. This is a quite heavy one again. You guys, anybody that reads my blog, have noticed that I have a bunch of problem with my iPhone. I have a lot of interest in other phones, Samsung and Huawei, OnePlus, etc., etc. But I still hang on to my iPhone as my daily. And now, the end of the year 2018, we have a bunch of bloggers naming their favorite of the year, the favorite smartphone or the best smartphone of 2018. And most of the guys chose the OnePlus 6T that is only about a month old, maybe 1.5 months old. They say that that's the overall best smartphone. They're maybe not the best in every area, but overall the best. So that's a great buy for the money and everything. And then OnePlus releases the McLaren edition that is even better. So when they just got the honor to be called the best smartphone of the year, they release one that is even better. This is the OnePlus 6T McLaren edition. This is the first one in Sweden. It came directly from Hong Kong in just 2 days. Don't ask me how they managed to do that, but yeah, alright. So I'm gonna shoot from above my shoulder so you can see what I see, because this is something special. I wasn't sure what I felt about this whole McLaren thing, because I like McLaren, of course, but I don't see them. What's the point of them making a collaboration with a smartphone? But I've seen some reviews, and I actually understand the McLaren collaboration. I was a sucker once a time. I bought the Vertu Ferrari phone that was super expensive and super useless. So after that, I've been CISO with collaboration with car companies. But the theme of this phone is speed. Everything is about speed. So the McLaren thing here is not that bad. So let's unbox it. All right. So what we see here is the McLaren orange. Salute to speed. Everything about this phone is speed. We have 10 gigabyte RAM memory, and that's a lot for a smartphone. I don't think anybody else is even close to that. And then in this model we have 256 gigabyte. You can choose from different kind of storage, but I think that 255 is what I need. I almost don't want to cut the box. All right, so it's a very beautiful orange, shiny, metallic. There is gold stars in the orange. I hope you can see. I don't know about the lighting in this direction. And then we have a carbon, it's not real carbon, of course, but carbon look on the box. Salute to speed. As you know, I love detailed boxes or luxury boxes. So even if I have no use for this, I still like when they do things like this for the customers. And keep in mind, this phone is less than half the money of iPhone XS Max. So carbon box that are absolutely good looking to be, so you can have other things in the storage. All right, so we have, it actually even smells nice. It does. So first off, we have a McLaren book where you can, when you operate your phone or open the phone, you can take pictures of these images and the phone will take you to videos that tells you more about these images. Here we have a bunch about former champions from McLaren history, Formula One history, and of course about the phone. Oh, and here is the phone. All right. So in the box we only have the case and charger. Pilot, the world's fastest daily driver. So here we have the phone, and the phone has a carbon finish. I'm gonna show you pictures in my post. A real beautiful, almost blue carbon finish, and it's definitely lighter than the other one, I think. It feels great in the hand because of the curved edges, so it feels better than an iPhone, of course. And one thing that I like about this phone from the others, Samsung has the Finger ID in the rear. iPhone doesn't have it at all anymore, and I always think that if you have an advanced screen like all the smartphones have today, of course you can have a finger scanner in the screen, which this one have. So fingerprint sensor in the screen. It's a great looking phone, and we have in the edge, we have a very discreet orange. All right, just like the Senna McLaren, you can paint it. You can paint the car black in the rear, and then in the front it shows the color more. And we have the same thing here. On the top, the phone is all black, and then the further you go, you see the orange coming more and more and more. And in the rear, we have the orange line. So very nice details on the phone. There is much more luxury feeling in this than in the iPhone. No doubt about it at all. And then, as usual, OnePlus gives you a case, a phone case. And this I actually think is real carbon fiber, because yeah, it looks like real carbon fiber, but I'm not sure. So we have a carbon fiber case that comes with the phone. Let's see what we have in this. That was empty. Oh, okay. So we have like a small award. This is some really cool stuff that they give you. Salute to Speed McLaren MCL33 edition carbon fiber 2018, handcrafted in England. Glass or plastic award, I will call it, with the carbon fiber McLaren logo. Super cool things to give with the phone. And once again, keep in mind, because less than half the money of a 10s Max or 10s with the same 255 gigabyte memory. But what I'm most impressed about, before I get to that, the orange cable is with a nylon braiding, so it's a durable cable. And even the plastic part in the USB is orange. The holders are orange, that you're gonna throw them away. So everything orange. And this is the thing that impressed me the most. A fast charger, and a real fast charger. iPhone doesn't give you one, and if you're gonna buy one to iPhone, you have to buy the expensive fast charger, and you have to buy a USB-C to Lightning cable as well. That doesn't come with the charger. OnePlus gives you all that, and this charger will charge 50% of your phone in only 20 minutes. And OnePlus says that those 50% battery will last all day, so you can charge a day of using the phone in just 20 minutes. That's amazing. 20 minutes for 50% of your phone. That's really amazing. So of course, Swedish charger, even if you order it directly from OnePlus and they send it from Hong Kong. And here we have this small little thing. Every other smartphone company made fun of Apple when they removed the headphone jack. But OnePlus has also done that, and they have this dongle that you actually probably will never use because you have Bluetooth iPhones. And when I think about it, there is no headphones coming with the phone. So yeah, this is it. So we have the 3.5 adapter connector, very skinny one. I'm just gonna leave it in a box because I'm never gonna use it and I'm gonna get rid of it. We have the super fast charger that will charge your phone 50% of your phone in only 20 minutes. We have the braided nylon orange cable that are definitely longer than your standard iPhone cable. I don't know how long this is, but I think it's 1.5 meters at least. Very nice. We have the carbon fiber, or at least carbon fiber looking case for the phone. I don't think it's carbon fiber, but either way, it looks great, and Apple would charge you like $100 for only this one. And then we have this super cool small award. They have no need for giving this to you. This is just something to award your customers, and just a fun little thing. And then we have the beautiful carbon box that I think you can have standing on your desk or something and have things that really good looking. We have the McLaren book about McLaren's history, Formula 1 history, and then we have the phone. So this is what you get when you buy an OnePlus 6T McLaren edition. If you want to know more about the phone, I'm gonna write it in my post, but this is the unboxing, and I can't remember the last time I was this impressed unboxing a phone. I don't think I've never been this impressed unboxing just a smartphone. And the price in Swedish money is about $800, maybe around $800. And in Sweden, the iPhone XS Max cost you $1,900. So it's way less than iPhone. I hope you liked the video. Give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. And just let me know if you want to know anything more about the phone or anything else. Thanks.